What would happen if the US and Saudi Arabia stood against Iran? Imagine the skies of the Middle East filled with smoke and fire, the waves of the seas trembling with fear, and the deafening roar of weapons echoing in every direction. In today's world, power is measured not merely by numbers or territorial control, but by advanced technology, cutting-edge defense systems, and national strategy. The United States possesses the world's most advanced fighter jets, nuclear capabilities, massive military bases, and state-of-the-art satellite navigation systems. Saudi Arabia, the Gulf's most formidable military power, not only commands heavy weaponry but, with US bases on its soil, can respond instantly to any threat. Iran, however, is not defenseless. Its arsenal goes beyond conventional weapons, featuring advanced missile systems, drones, and defense technologies capable of countering attacks. While a combined US-Saudi military front would pose a significant threat, Iran benefits from strong regional ties and potential international allies. If powerful nations like Russia or North Korea side with Iran, this conflict would extend far beyond 3 countries, filling the skies and seas of the Middle East with a battlefield unlike anything ever seen. This confrontation would not only be military, it would stretch into psychological and economic realms. Every missile, every drone strike, every attack would reverberate across global oil markets, diplomatic relations, and human lives. Saudi Arabia's major cities, Iran's industrial and military centers, and critical Gulf maritime routes would all be at risk. If the war continues, fear would dominate the skies, and every wave on the sea could carry the sound of explosions. Though Iran may appear isolated, its defensive capabilities, advanced drone and missile systems, and potential external support give it a chance to resist its adversaries. Yet, make no mistake, this theater of war would be grueling for all involved. Every moment, every decision, every weapon movement could tip the scales dramatically. Aircraft in the sky, tanks on the ground, warships at sea. This is not mere imagination, but a reflection of real-world threats. Should such a conflict erupt, it would not only impact Iran, the US, or Saudi Arabia, but also reverberate across the global political and economic system. This would be a war of power, not confined to battlefields alone, shaking human life, global markets, and the region's economy to its core. So, whose side would be stronger? While the US boasts unmatched technology and Saudi Arabia immense financial and military strength, Iran's defense systems, advanced missiles, drones, and potential allies provide it with formidable counterbalance. Victory will not belong solely to one side, and all parties would bear heavy losses. The human cost, the destruction of cities, and the future of the region would be staggering. This scene vividly reveals the clash between fear, power, strategy, and human nature. Each nation would employ every tactic to survive, and every decision would shape global diplomacy and the future of peace. Power, technology, and human choice would all converge in this theater. Every moment, every weapon, every choice, everything would redraw the map of the future. The consequences of such a war would not be limited to geography or borders. They would reshape human life, international relations, and the global balance of power. The strength, wisdom, and leadership of Iran, the US, Saudi Arabia, and other potential allies would be decisive. This would not just be a military conflict, but a war of global strategy, technology, and human resolve, where every move could create a new opportunity or a catastrophic threat. This scenario reminds us that in a war of power, there are no easy victors, and the cost of human life and the future grows with every action, every weapon fired, every missile launched. Every plane that soars through the sky is more than metal and fuel. It is a decision that could shape the destiny of the world. If this war were to begin, the balance of power would be determined not merely by weapons and military might, but by wisdom, cooperation, and human consciousness. This would be a war of intelligence, foresight, and strategic thinking as much as of brute force. The world's most powerful nations, the most advanced weapons, and the sharpest strategies would all collide in a game whose echoes would be felt for generations. Smoke, fire, and fear everywhere. But within it all, Human courage and intellect would be the true forces shaping the outcome. Every step must be calculated, because this battlefield is not just a country or a region, it is a decisive moment in the history of humanity.